keeps most Australians from building wealth through property? It's not cash or time. It's 5 common myths I see daily. After guiding hundreds as a REB buyers agency finalist, I'll show you exactly how to beat each one and safely launch your property portfolio. And in the next 90 seconds, we'll see why you don't need a mountain of savings. Myth number 1. I don't have enough money. Let's smash the biggest misconception right now. I hear it all the time. Rusty, I'd love to invest, but unless I find a suitcase of cash under my bed, I'm stuck. And honestly, I get it. The idea that you need hundreds of thousands sitting in your bank account, well, it's enough to make anyone freeze. But here's the truth. By holding on to that belief, you are letting years of wealth building opportunities slip through your fingers. Imagine what's possible if you leverage what you already have. Here's where most people trip up. They think you need a mountain of money, but you don't. In fact, you probably already have what you need, and it's hiding in plain sight. It's equity, your home's value minus your loan. It's your hidden gold mine. Let's tap into that and start building your wealth today, instead of waiting for that bank balance to get started. Sarah, a single mom, assumed investing was years away. Her home was $900,000, loan $500,000, and that's an equity of $400,000. With her program, we set up teen loan splits, so a portion funded an investment without many savings. Because that split was used for investing, the interest on that split may be tax deductible depending on structure and personal circumstances. So, no, you don't need a massive lump sum. You just need to get clever with what you already have. Leverage your equity and you can start building wealth way sooner than you think. Sarah didn't need a lottery win. She just needed a strategy. And she's not alone. That's why Kate thought they needed more cash. But with our help, they unlocked $150,000 equity and bought 3 properties in 8 months, building $290,000 equity. Your blocker wasn't cash, it was structure. But what about risk when the market wobbles? In under a minute, I'll show that risk filter we use to stay calm and invest confidently. Myth number 2, the market is too risky. Totally understandable. Property prices go up, they go down. Sometimes it feels like you are strapped into a roller coaster, hands white-knuckled on the safety bar. But here's the truth. Property investment isn't about hanging on for dear life in the short term. It's about playing the long game. Here's a little secret. Property investment isn't about guessing what will happen next week, next month, or even next year. It's about running a marathon, not a 100-meter sprint. So forget the stopwatch and pack some snacks. You can't control the market's ups and downs, but you can control your strategy. And that's what builds wealth that lasts. No matter what the headlines say, look at the big picture. Even during recessions, crashes, and market dips, the trend is crystal clear. Property values continue to climb. In fact, property values have historically outpaced inflation and provided consistent returns for investors who stay the course. History shows that if you wait for the market to be perfect, you'll miss out on the significant wealth building opportunities. And trust me, I've had my share of white-knuckle moments. There were times I thought my portfolio was started up in its own disaster movie. But by doing my own work, picking the right locations, and sticking to a long-term plan, I made it through. And so can you. Let me tell you about Anita. Anita had been burned before. She bought at the wrong time in 2008 and stunned. So when we first spoke, she was paralyzed by fear. Every headline felt like a red flag. But we didn't tell her to ignore the news. We showed her the real data. Instead of trying to time the market, she focused on the right locations with real infrastructure, demand, and long-term upside. She didn't try to outsmart the market or wait for a perfect moment. Spoiler, the perfect moment doesn't exist. With data-led criteria, jobs, infrastructure, low vacancy, owner-occupied demand, Anita bought in growth corridors and focused on time in the market and asset quality. Result, steady progress through wobbles. Linda is another proof point, an economist who partnered with us. In just 30 months, her first New South Wales property grew by $288,000 in equity. and she built confidence across 3 companies. You see, it's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Even the best investors can't predict every day. What matters is having a plan and sticking to it. So next time you see a scary news story or the market takes a dip, remember, it's just noise. With a smart long-term strategy and by zeroing in on the right locations, property is still one of the most powerful wealth-building tools out there. We size risk with data, not headlines. Alright, but even with a solid plan, who's got the time to do all this research? Give me 2 minutes and I'll show you the shortcut my busiest clients use. Myth number 3, I don't have time. I hear this one all the time. And honestly, I get it. Life these days is like a never-ending game of whack-a-mole. Work, family, emails, remembering to eat vegetables. Who has hours to spare scrolling through property listings, battling auctions, or drowning in paperwork? But here's a little secret. You don't have to do it all by yourself. Forget about spending your weekends scrolling through endless listings or wrestling with paperwork. That makes your eyes cross. That's where a buyer's agent comes in. They do all the legwork for you. We are talking property research, negotiations, due diligence, and even hunting down deals you never find on your own. But here's a secret most people never hear. The very best property deals aren't even on those public listings. In fact, they're off-market, hidden from the average buyer. What does that actually mean? Off-market properties are exclusive deals you won't find on realestate.com.au or in any weekend newspaper. No open for inspections with a crowd of pushy buyers. No bidding wars, no stress, just you and the opportunity with almost zero competition. Some of our smartest investors didn't just find properties, they found deals no one else knew about. For example, Carol secured a property at 7% below market value simply by accessing off-market listings. It's not about finding deals, it's about knowing where to look. And for busy people, this is gold. When you don't have time, you want quality over quantity. And a shortcut to the best deals without a doubt. Here's the kicker. As independent buyers agents, we are your shortcut. Not only do we handle all the research, negotiations, and paperwork, but we have the connections to unlock these off-market deals. Last 12 months, internal tally showed us that 92% of the properties we secured clients were off-market. That's right. Most of our wins happen before the rest of the world even knows the property exists. But it's not about speed. We save you from stress, get you better deals, and provide all the data and education you need to make smart, confident decisions. Think of us as your property partner, moving fast, keeping you informed, and making sure you never miss out. Take Dr. Lem and his wife. Both busy professionals, young kids, zero spare time. When we met, they said, we don't even have time to read, let alone invest. We handled everything. Off-market deals, negotiations, paperwork. They secured 3 high-quality properties with no missed family dinners or lost weekends. So if you think you don't have time, remember, you don't have to do it all by yourself. Partner with experts, tap into the secret world of off-market deals, and let us do the heavy lifting. It's not about seeing every property, it's about seeing the right ones first. You just need to focus on the right properties that align with your goals and let us handle the rest. Time isn't the blocker when you've got it clean. And if you want to go deeper, grab my free ebook in the description. But are you still thinking, I don't know enough? Let's tackle that fear together. Myth number 4. I don't know enough about property investment. The next big excuse, I don't know enough about property investment. And honestly, I get it. The property market can feel like a foreign language, full of jargon, acronyms, and enough confusing terms to make your brain do a backflip. It's like trying to read IKEA instructions, but for your financial future. But here's the truth. You don't need to be a property professor to start investing. The real mistake? Believing you have to learn everything before you take action. If that were true, nobody would even get started. What you do need is the right support. That's where we come in at Get Your Properties, your independent buyers agency. We help you build a step-by-step strategy, guide you through the maze, and make sure you're never left in the dark, staring at a spreadsheet, wondering what on earth LBR means. Take Jimmy, for example. He came to us with zero experience. He thought yield was something you did at a roundabout. We walked him through a clear, easy to follow plan. He now has a growing portfolio and is earning passive income. Jimmy didn't need to know all the technical details upfront. He just needed to take the first step. You don't need to know it all. You just need to start with the right help. The biggest risk isn't getting everything perfect. It's letting fear or indecision keep you from starting. Every day you wait is one more day you miss out on opportunities that could change your financial future. We will help you every step of the way. In fact, we have mapped out a 7-step process that takes you from I know nothing to I am building wealth. The beauty of property investment, you don't have to be an expert to start seeing results. What you need is clarity and the right guidance. And with the right partner, it's easier than you think. And the real wealth killer isn't learning, it's waiting. And that leads to the next myth. Myth 5. I'll wait for the perfect opportunity. And then this classic, I'll wait for the perfect opportunity. Look, I get it. The idea of waiting for everything to line up perfectly is super tempting. Like maybe you're waiting for the stars to align, the market to be just right, and your horoscope to say, buy property today. But here's the reality. Waiting for the perfect moment is like waiting for a bus that's never coming. Meanwhile, everyone else is already on their way building wealth, and you are still standing at the bus stop. The real cost? Property investment isn't about timing the market perfectly. It's about timing the market. The sooner you start, the more you benefit from compounding growth. That's when your returns on returns. So your money grows faster. Every year you wait is a year of lost growth. And that missed bus doesn't come back around. Now, let me share with you a real example. Nina and Amit were classic forward thinkers. Every time they came close to buying, they would talk themselves out of it. Maybe next month, next quarter, next year. And after watching the market for over 2 years, they finally booked a call with us. We walked them through a strategy that didn't rely on perfect conditions, just consistent action. Fast forward 18 months, they now own 2 investment properties and are building equity month after month. Their biggest regret? Not starting sooner. We were trying to outsmart the market in that roadmap. But what we really needed was a plan and a push. You can't control the market, but you can control when you start. And that's what matters most. Properties have doubled in value every 10 to 12 years on average. And imagine waiting just 5 years could cost you. Here's the truth. There's no such thing as a perfect moment. The perfect time is now. Every moment you wait is a missed opportunity to build wealth. Chasing perfect timing is a myth. Consistent action is the key. And the good news is, we are here to help you take that action step by step. You've got the framework. Now, you're probably asking, what does this look like for me? If you want this mapped to your numbers, let's build your first purchase plan together. Right now, I've opened a handful of spots for a personalized property strategy call. Tap the link on screen or go to gethere.com.au/query. On the call, we'll pin down your goals, your borrowing power, your target suburbs, and a step-by-step buying sequence so you are purchase ready this quarter, not someday. Why am I confident? Because this is exactly how Rafael and Kate moved from hesitation to 3 properties in 8 months and built $219,000 in equity by following a clear plan on guess what. And it's how Linda, an economist, saw $288,000 equity growth on one New South Wales purchase in 13 months by buying quality in the right corridor. Not ready to check immediately? No worries. Take the next step toward financial freedom. Grab my free guide, 7 steps to get rich and retire early, and let's get started today. The link is in the description. It will give you the exact formations we use with clients. So when you're ready, you're actually ready. Quick heads up, this video is general in nature. Before you act, speak to your broker, accountant, or advisor. And last thing, don't miss the next video, 7 steps to financial freedom. That's where I show you how to structure your portfolio for growth and cash flow. Tap it now and I'll meet you there.